Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is how to do easy at-home lash extensions. So if you're interested, keep on watching. To get started, here are a few items you're going to need. A small handheld or compact mirror, lash adhesive. Here I'm using the Kiss and the color black. I really like this one and I've been using it for a while. It has a strong hold and it lasts a long time. Here's what it looks like. This one I've been using already. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, a pair of tweezers or lash tweezers, and last but not least, a pair of beautiful lashes. The lashes I chose today are So Wispy's in the number 10 by Kiss. These ones are so pretty. I love wispy lashes. Alright, once you have everything that you need, you're going to need to remove the lashes from the box. These lashes are so beautiful. You have the left side, right side. You don't want to get those confused. I always like to start with my right side, so go ahead and remove the lash from the package. What I like to do is remove the glue. It comes with pre-glue on it on the strip there. So what you're gonna wanna do is take your fingers and just remove the lash glue that's already on there. You're gonna lightly rub it off. Do not do this roughly or you may ruin your lashes. So just go ahead and rub that off there until there's no more on there. You'll know if there's more glue if you touch it and it's a little bit tacky or sticky, then you still have some glue on there. This process is really easy. You just want to take it off because we're applying the lash glue on top of the lashes and the pre-glue that's already on there is underneath. So you're not going to want that because if you blink, then it's gonna be sticky. It's gonna be sticky. You don't want your eyes sticking together. So go ahead and do that. Alright, and once that is all off, next you're going to want to cut these lashes in sections. I find that it's easy for me to apply this if I cut them in sections. I always like to start from the outside in. That's how I apply them, that's how I cut them. So go ahead and cut these in 4 sections. Very simple, very easy. What I like to do is start with a small section there and then I'll move to a little bit bigger section and then a small section and then an even smaller section for the inner corner eye. Once you are finished cutting, then I like to lay these out in order so that when I go to put them on, I know where to grab from and where it belongs. Alright, next you want to do the same exact thing to the left eye. Go ahead and rub that glue off, just like I said before. Lightly, just use your fingers and rub that glue off. Once the glue is all off, you're going to want to go ahead and cut this side in sections as well, starting from the outside in. That's what I find that works best. Alright guys, now that these are laid out, you should have 8 sections, 4 for the left side and 4 for the right side. So now it's time to get gluing these beautiful lashes on. What you're going to do is do it like normal lashes. If you're applying the strip lash, you're going to want to apply this glue to the line, the strip of the lash right on top. Make sure you're doing this evenly. You don't want to overdo it, but you don't want to underdo it either because you want these to stick and you want them to last long. Now you're going to want to let that dry just for a few seconds. Let it dry, because if it's too wet, then it's going to fall right off. You want it a little tacky. Once that is ready to go, then you will be ready to apply the lash to your eye. So when applying these lashes, you want to put the false lash right underneath your eyelashes. Try not to get it so close to your waterline, or else the lash will have problems sticking. Go ahead and place the lash where you please, and if it looks right, go ahead and tap on the lash to make sure that it is stuck to your lashes. Now go ahead and repeat the same step as you did before. Apply the lash glue on the lash line of the false lash. What you're going to want to do is put it right next to the first lash that you applied. I really like this application method. It's fast, it's easy, the lashes are comfortable and lightweight, and on top of all of it, it's affordable, unlike getting lash extensions. Here, I'm just squeezing my lash and the lash extensions together. This makes sure it's secure and it won't go anywhere. You do want to do this when your lashes are dry, or else the lash will stick to the tweezers. So you always want to pull the tweezers apart slowly if this happens. Lightly tug, but not too hard, or else the lash will come off and you'll have to repeat the step. I like to wait until I'm done applying all the lashes to go back and squeeze the lashes together. Don't be afraid to do this several times and for long periods. This can help the lifeline of your lashes. I get up to a week's wear wearing these lashes. You want to avoid getting the lashes wet. I really love how natural these lashes look. There's no need to put eyeliner on or even makeup. This is an everyday look. If you happen to get glue on your eyelids, that's perfectly fine. Allow the glue to get a little tacky, and then take Q-tip or the back of your tweezers and just rub slightly. When moving on to your next eye, use the first finished eye to guide you through the next one. You want everything to line up and look in sync. Don't forget to squeeze those lashes together. You really want them to be secure. This is the final look. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you on the next video.